Workana Online Job Platform Review, Usage Experience. Today, I'm reviewing Workana, an online job platform connecting freelancers with businesses across Latin America and beyond. If you're interested, I've added a link in the description. Check it out after the review. Workana is designed for freelancers in various fields, including IT, design, writing, marketing, finance, and customer support. Unlike some global platforms, Workana has a strong presence in Latin America, making it a great choice for Spanish and Portuguese-speaking freelancers. However, it also supports English-speaking projects, so it's accessible to a broader audience. Signing up is free, but the platform works on a tiered membership system, where higher tier plans give you more project proposals per month. The basic free plan allows you to bid on a limited number of projects, while premium plans increase visibility and proposal limits. One of Workana's strengths is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy to browse job postings and send proposals. Clients post projects with budgets and skill requirements, and freelancers submit bids outlining their experience and rates. Workana also includes a rating and review system, helping build credibility over time. Payment security is another key feature. Workana uses an escrow system, meaning funds are deposited by the client before work begins. This minimizes the risk of unpaid work, ensuring freelancers get paid once milestones are completed. However, competition can be high, especially for beginners, and many projects have low budgets, making it harder to land well-paying jobs. Also, Workana charges a service fee ranging from 5 to 20%. Depending on your client relationship, the more you earn with a client over time, the lower the fee. Overall, Workana is a solid option for freelancers, especially those targeting Latin American clients. It's best for skilled professionals who can compete on quality rather than just price. If you're a beginner, be prepared to start with lower rates and build your reputation. If you're interested, check out the link in the description. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more job platform reviews.